welcome back. So another crazy day in the market today. We didn't have a down day. However, we had a crazy 40 points swing on the SPY, 400 point swing on the S&P. And in this video, I'm going to show you an indicator that I use called the ORB indicator. This is this red and green line here, okay? I swear by this thing, all right? Now, this is only, to my knowledge, this is going to be a day trading tool, okay? But I'm going to show you how to easily make day trading. I was done trading, or I should have been done trading by, 10 something, 10:15 this morning, okay? So before 10:30. So it's very simple, okay? In this video, I'm going to show you how to set this indicator up, and I'm going to show you how to use it. I'm going to keep it real short and sweet, okay? So first you go to your indicators. You're going to type in ORB, okay? And you're going to see this come up, ORB by ZZ Crypto. Go ahead and like it and add it, double click it, and you should go to the screen. And on here, you should see on your indicators the inputs for the ORB. So the time frame I like to use is I like to look at 9:15 to 9:30, okay? You can also look at 9:30 to 9:45 after open. Right now, I'm preferring this, so I'm going to stick with this, although that is an option as well, okay? So that's it. Your ORB is set up. Make sure you hit save, and after that, you're set, okay? Now, I like to use this on the 1 minute chart, okay? And again, at the end of the video, I'm going to talk to you about this, the buy and sell indicators. This is my custom indicator, okay? I'm going to work that in at the end. But right now I'm talking about the ORB, okay? So the green line is going to be essentially your high from 9:15 to 9:45. The red line is going to be your low, okay? So what happened here? We came down, all right? And I actually did make some money on this short here. So as soon as we broke under here, I entered on the next candle here, and I trailing stopped out somewhere on the first green candle, okay? So I made a little bit of money on that play. There we got the buy signal. Now, I didn't enter quite on this buy signal, although obviously you could have. Again, this is my custom indicator. If you want a free trial, leave a comment indicator below, okay? And I'll give you a free trial on this indicator. I actually waited till we got back over this green line. This told me that bulls were in control for the day, okay? And made huge money on this play. I was trading the MES, the small, just one contract, and I made almost $500 on that play. This was based, by the way, if you want to see what's going to happen whenever this tariff will, basically when Trump takes his foot off the gas, this is what's going to happen, okay? Because you had news come out that, hey, that they might delay the tariffs for 90 days, okay? So the market just rocketed. I mean, I've never seen a move like this. And then came back down when the White House said, no, that's fake news, okay? So caught a nice sell signal here. And then we bounced here, okay? So you can use these as levels of support and resistance, okay? So what you'll see happen a lot of times is we came back down and bounced. We came back down and bounced. We came back down and bounced. We came back down and bounced, okay? We stayed above this green line, therefore we stayed bullish for the whole day. And I was clear about that in the chat. And that's how you use the ORB indicator. It's very simple to use. And again, if you want a free trial of my Infinity indicator, that's the buy sell indicators. Makes it super easy for you to take advantage. Leave comment indicator below and make sure you're liked and subscribed so you don't miss any of this content. Appreciate you guys watching. I'll catch you on the next one.